Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the AMT 1957 Chevy Bel Air 125 scale kit. Picked this one up at I picked this one up at Hobby Lobby just this morning as I'm making this video. Here we have the sides, the end panel, the other side with a beautiful picture of someone's model. Very nice job on that build there, whoever did that one. And that's it. This is this also is a round 2 kit. Great job over there at round 2, guys. Oh boy, let's see what we've got. Oh, it's molded in blue. Over 70 parts. Skill level 2, paint and glue required. It's got the 283 engine, one of my favorites. Removable hardtop, that's interesting. Detailed chassis, accurate interior, custom decals. Alright, let's go ahead and tear into this one. Bottom of the box has got basic information. Let's see what we got here. Actually, I thought there was a tear. Yeah, there's a little tear in the plastic right there. I'll go ahead and try to peel that open. Yep, there we go. One last chance of stabbing myself today. Hope you're all having a great day. Put that out of the way. Toss that to the side. And here we go. 57 Chevy, one of the classics. When I was a young man working at a muffler brakes and shock place, 57 Chevy was the very first vehicle I had the opportunity to work on. I got to sit in the trunk and hold the wrench on some nuts for the shock absorbers, which were mounted through the trunk and down underneath, and while the car was up in the air, I was inside the trunk. That was a great memory, great experience. Loved every minute of it. Alrighty, little glare there. Try and fix that for you. There you go. Alright, first off we have a bag chrome. Go ahead and cut that open. I see a grill. Very iconic grill there. No mistaking a 57 Chevy, boys and girls. Here's the rear bumpers. A couple of headlight bezels. Wow. I should have picked up another one of these kits. I wonder if those are the same as the 56 Nomad that I built the other day. I was missing some parts. That might be a good way to go through that. That'll work. Alrighty. Here's 3 hubcaps, and here's the 4th way over here. Fan, valve covers, top of the radiator, it'll be chrome if you want it chrome. Generator, it looks like, in chrome. It's an odd choice. Place where you don't want the heat, you want to keep that thing as cool as possible. So let's make it chrome. Yeah. Alrighty, then we have the chrome rear end, chrome display thing, whatever that's called, that goes inside the grill there. Right here, if you can see it on the box, it's right there. Rear taillights bezels. Pretty nice. Move on to the next piece. Chrome front suspension. Chrome control arms. Okay. And chrome leaf springs. Yeah, those will, yeah. Oh, with a rear end built into it. Interesting. This here is going to be flashy. Chrome oil filler tube. A 283 that was on the front of the intake manifold. Here we have red plastic pieces in the bag. Very nice round 2. Appreciate that. Windshield, rear window, headlights also protected nicely. Leave that there. As you know, I try to leave those in the bags until it's time to use them, just to help protect them. Here's some tires. Yeah, kind of basic tires. Got a little decent tread pattern on them. No name on this side. And on this side it says Firestone. You probably won't be able to pick that up on camera. But trust me, it says Firestone. Put those back in the bag. Wow, that's some blue, isn't it? This looks like marina blue. This, I don't know what kind of blue this is. But we have two big bags of body parts. In the molded plastic. Wow, beautiful body. Holy, nice, nice. Folks, I think you'll like this one. This is really nice. The color may not be for you, and it appears it's picking it up pretty accurate on camera, the color. It's almost a turquoise. Excuse me. Compared to the blue on the box, this is more of a turquoise color here. More green in it than blue pigment. But real nice lines. Medium detail. It's not real thick, but it's on there real nice. Real smooth. As always, we're going to wash it up real nice before painting. That's the body. Here's the front end shot of the body. Here's the chassis. Nice. Very nice. Real good sturdy plastic there. Gas tank is molded in. Spare tire well is molded in. Exhausts are molded in with mufflers. But it's real nice. It's real sharp. I like that. I'm going to go ahead and put that back in the bag just to help keep it protected. Just take me a quick second here. There we go. And now, the final bag of parts. Not a whole lot of parts to this one, but it's still going to be a fun build. And here we have the steel wheels, also molded in blue, or body color, you could say. All right. Some little bits. This looks like a rear support for where your rear bumper is going to go. It glues onto the chassis. Shock absorbers. Let's see if you find yourself somebody sitting in the trunk installing those with you. And looks like a radiator hose. Here's the front seat. Nice big old bench seat. A little bit of flash going on there. We'll clean that up real nice. All the way around the edges. Okay. Some wheel backs. Interior tub with some big old pegs on there to mount that seat. Here's the dashboard. A lot of flashing on this one, guys. But it can all be cleaned up, no big deal. Here's the hood. The famous hood. I saw a video the other day of a fellow modeler that didn't put these things, the little, whatever they are, the chrome design. Boy, there's a name for them. They're like rockets, they're missiles, whatever the heck they are, I forget. But he said he didn't put those on, and he opened the holes a little bit to give it more of a air induction kind of effect on it. I thought, well, that was pretty slick, you know. I'm sorry I don't remember the gentleman's name that was doing that to his model. It was a 57 Chevy. It was yellow. Real nice, nice video. Intake manifold, license plates, 1957. Back of the seat, and fan belt pulley and distributor, all in blue. And here we have the 283 engine block and transmission, the standard steering wheel, timing chain, fuel pump, heads, battery. I think that's a carburetor. A couple of horns, those are nice. Stock exhaust, air cleaner, oil pan, and another blower and plumbing for the not air conditioning, but the heat to go through. Steering column right there on the end, I almost missed it. And that's it for the parts. And we got 2 steel axles, very nice. Love the steel axles myself. For decals, we need a... Alright, anyone see the scissors? Shout out if you see them. I completely lost them. There they are. There. It's one of those days. Alrighty. And for decal sheet, we have class of 57, 157 in white. I don't know if you can catch that on the camera. I think so. This is really cool. Save you a nightmare of trying to paint inside the lines there with the decals that go into the fin area. Some pinstriping in white. License plates, Chevy and Oldie it looks like. California. General Motors, yada yada. All the legal stuff. That's about it for decals. Not a whole lot going on for decals, but that's okay. We've all got spare decals in our parts boxes and that, and go ahead and dress it up however you'd like. And we have the Auto World flyer mixed in with everything, showing you some nice stuff. 62 Impala, that's a nice one. GTO 68, nice. Mustang, some Star Wars stuff if you guys are into that. This looks like it is 118 diecast stuff. 1/6 scale diecast. Wow, bet you those things are huge. Some HO stuff. Those were always great. Always a lot of fun. A lot of good memories with that stuff. And then we have the instruction sheet down here. This looks just like the instruction sheet I had on my vintage unboxing of instructions. Yeah, there you go. Like my second video I put out ever. You guys go out and check it out. I bet you it's very similar or exact same one, just reproduced. A638M-200 if you want to compare it to that old video. Go check that out if you get a minute. Here's how you build your 283. Yep. There's the interior. Chassis, nice. Still, I don't know about the chrome leaf springs. Whatever, you know, it's a personal thing, I guess. Glass, front and back, interior tub. Slap it together. That's it. 6 easy steps on this one, guys. Yeah, that's it. That's pretty nice. But all in all, it'll be a beautiful model. There's some decent details on it. I always like the little gill-looking things up here on the hood. I wonder if that's where Plymouth got the idea for the Kudo to put those gills on there. You know, they're down here, up here, somewhere over here on the Barracudas. That's pretty slick. Alright, boys and girls, I appreciate your time. Thank you so much, and as always, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and let's just keep on keeping on. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day. Be safe. We'll see you next time.